Bistro-style bruschetta. It's an Italian bread drenched with olive oil and served with garlic and tomatoes. Since it's an Italian dish, let's pronounce it the way Italians do. Bruschetta. So before we get into it, please like and subscribe. Let's go! First and foremost, we'll dice our tomatoes. Next, we'll add in our chopped basil. The trick to chopping basil is stacking them up, rolling them tightly, and chopping them. Cutting ribbons out of them. Now I'll add in salt, but not this much, just a pinch. Some pepper, a drizzle of olive oil, a splash of vinegar, and some Italian seasoning. And I'll give it a mix. Our tomato is ready. Now I'll let it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Since this is a simple recipe and has just a few ingredients, good quality ingredients are very important. To make bruschetta, Italian baguettes or sourdough bread is usually used. Here I have an Irish soda bread, link for which is right here or in the description below. I'll be using this today. Now I'll spread some olive oil on each side of the bread. Usually this bread is barbecued on coal, but since we're indoors, we need an alternate. So you can use any of these options. You can grill it on a cast iron skillet, you can toast it, or you could grill it in your oven. I'm going to use my cast iron skillet because it's closest to the barbecue flavor. Now my skillet is super hot, so I'll place my bread on it. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes and then I'll flip it. Wow, it looks so good! This is the color and texture we're looking for. Now I'll take them off the flame. While the bread is hot, I'll rub some garlic on this. This enhances the flavor a lot. toast is ready and our tomato is ready. It's time to assemble it.
So here our tomato has left its juice and it has marinated in it. So I'll take a spoon of juice and I'll add it onto my bread, little by little. I let all this juice seep in my bread. Doesn't it look brilliant? I can't wait to eat it.
And why should I? This is such an easy recipe yet so exotic. No reason not to make it. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.